Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Yeah. So these are the guidelines for the upcoming Ganesh festival. Everyone who's celebrating the festival should maintain social distancing outside of the venue itself. As much as possible, also the sale and purchase of plaster and Paris idols should be avoided for the environment, basically. It causes a lot of degradation. Only 2 people with 1 vehicle will be allowed. For sale of items will be placed in designated areas near Royal Foods from 8th to 10th. Ganesh Committee should not use fireworks and firecrackers just to avoid pollution also. So no form of celebration should be done in any of the containment zones. Okay, so as per our the immersion points, it's Ferry Wharf in Panjim, Miramar Beach, Karanzale Beach near Martins, also near Swimsea, Ferry Wharf in Ribandar, Captain Approach Jetty, Panjim, Manaswada Ribandar, Sao Pedro near Kamath House, 4 Pillars Mala, and next to PWD office. Now all flowers and garlands should be deposited in containers placed at each emergent site and should not be disposed of in the water bodies.
Now said that in the last 2 years and all, there have been no development taken place in the city and all. Development, this of Amdarat or something. Now he is a part, he has been a former mayor, now a present councillor.
He should have raised it in the 2 years that he was mayor then, what he did. It's a fact also, if he said nothing happened in 2 years, then you idly sat by and didn't do anything about it, you're as a thing, you know. And as for work that is going on, there's plenty of work that is happening. Even all the proposals that we're pushing through, everything will materialize now in September and October. So for him to say that no work has been happening, look in the mirror first, no? As part of our DMA also, if you look at all the DMA list, the last 2 years, not a single application was put forward by the mayor's office at all. Which means 10 crores worth of development work is gone. That is work that could have been used for the public, no? Our footpaths could have been done, children could have playgrounds, old people could have had areas for them to sit and relax in the evenings. And he cannot abuse us now just because he's not mayor now.
Because he has said that the work...
He can say whatever he wants, no? It doesn't make a difference. Wait for 2 months and see the amount of work that comes out. Then it will answer for itself also.